Hey, I'm Dr. J. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a fabulous and fast dump and go green turkey chili. You're going to love this recipe. So I'm going to start. I've got 2 pounds of ground turkey. I don't like the extra lean. It's totally up to you. It would be fine if you use it. This is 85% lean. Okay, so that's going to go in. This is 2 cans of rinsed and drained organic pinto beans. You know, when you're making things at home, and even though we're making something that's simple, I still like to use good ingredients. If you can, when I'm buying canned things, I still try to buy organic. Since we're cooking at home, I figure we can spend a few extra pennies, right, on buying a good ingredient. So, okay, so we got the ground turkey in there. We've got 2 cans of our rinsed and drained pinto beans. This is 2 cups of organic frozen corn that I've defrosted. Love corn. This is 16 ounces of salsa verde. It's a fresh one. You could absolutely use a jarred or canned, or you could actually make your own. And I'm doing mild, but you use whatever spice level that you like. I love a salsa verde. It's usually made with some chilies, some tomatillos, some onions, some garlic. I mean, just all the good stuff. Fabulous. This is 1 diced onion. And again, one thing that I like to do at home, like on the weekends, I'll buy like a big bag of organic onions, and then I'll dice some, I'll slice some, and I prepackage them. I put them in my freezer so they're always ready when I need them. So that's 1 diced onion going in that I've just thawed. I've got 1 carton, which is 4 cups of low sodium organic chicken stock or broth. And again, you can make this yourself. I do this from time to time. I love to do it in my Instant Pot. If you've never seen that video, I'll provide a link below for you. It's so easy and it's so delicious. And then you make chicken soup. I mean, fabulous. This is a must-have in my kitchen, especially when I'm doing something quick. I always have fresh garlic on hand as well, but this is just something when I literally just want to dump and go. I'm going to put in just about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and you can use, again, more or less to your taste. 1 can of diced chilies. Again, I'm using mild. Okay, get them all out of there. Okay, got some cumin, some coriander, and then a little salt and pepper. And we're gonna give this all a mix. You know, and actually a great thing you could do with this as well, you could actually put all these ingredients together in a freezer bag. This would be a freezer dump and go. You freeze it away. When you wanna do it a few weeks or even a month down the line, make sure you label it, right? Take it out, and you'd literally take it out the night before so it defrosts, and put it in your crock pot, and you follow all the same deal. Just basically dump it in and turn it on. So I'm just gonna give this all a mix. All I'm doing is just kind of combining everything, and I'm breaking up the turkey just a tad. Okay, but you don't have to brown the turkey or anything like that. It's nice and lean. It's gonna all cook well, just like this. I love these kind of meals because, hey, it's nutritious. I mean, there's no junk going in there, right? Come home, have this, garnish it with a little sour cream, some cheddar cheese maybe, right? Some guac, all good. Okay, that's it. Cover's going on, and it's gonna go on low for 4 to 5 hours. All right, see you then. Okay, we're time for the unveil. I've been smelling this cooking. I've been dying to taste it for you. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Okay, little green turkey chili, yummy. We've got corn and beans and ground beef and chili peppers and green salsa in there. All good stuff too, right? Even though you, like sometimes people, you know, they think of a dump and go recipe like we call them. It doesn't sound very attractive, right? But this is all super nutritious, good ingredients in there. You don't have to feel guilty about giving this to your family. I like to top mine with a little bit of cheese. I love cheddar, but queso fresco would be great on here. Even any kind of cheese. Monterey Jack, if you like a little spicy cheese too, you could put a little spicy cheese on there would be good too. A little sour cream. All right, maybe a lot of sour cream. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste. This is too delightful not to. All right, I'll get a little bit of sour cream. Perfectly cooked. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, that is absolutely delicious. The turkey is really soft and tender. I really do like the 85%. I think it just cooks up really, really well. You don't get a dry texture to it at all. That salsa is so bright. Get the beans and the corn. You're gonna wanna make this for your family. Just a few things that you put in your pot and turn it on and go. If you like this recipe, please comment below. Also, let me know what you're doing in your crock pot. Let me know what you'd like to cook up, and if there's something you'd like me to make, or even one of your family favorites. I'd love you to share that with me. So anyways, if you enjoy these recipes, please share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed yet, please do, and don't forget to click that bell. That way you know when our next video is coming out. All right, love y'all. Enjoy.